this roof off a little bit.
Testing the efficacy of a solar panel mounting system is critical, especially when using a decking-only attachment method. These tests are proof positive that the roof and the attachment method can withstand wind uplift calculated based on ASCE 7-16. Florida Solar Design Group has a calibrated test instrument to determine how strong a mounting system is on a given roof. For this test, we hypothesized that the mounting assembly could withstand 600 pounds of uplift force. Repeating the test at random locations is key to ensuring consistent strength. A successful test, with a safety factor applied, ensures a safe and functional mounting system design. This non-destructive test method allows our engineer to calculate how many attachment points are needed, and at what spans. When you want to ensure that your solar panel mounting method will withstand Southwest Florida's high wind requirements, Florida Solar Design Group is the professional solar contractor you can rely on.